What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the vlog. One second, let me grab my stuff. So what we're gonna be doing today is pulling Bobby's Genesis out of the storage, and I'm taking the FRS to Spokane once again because it's been a while. I took it to Spokane once, had to fix all the issues, and now I'm taking it again to see how it drives. So let's hope it drives good. I got the wing on yesterday, as you guys saw. If you have not seen that video, go check it out. I'll have a link right up in that corner up there. I'm so excited to drive this thing again. So I fixed a few issues. I have not fixed the exhaust scraping issue yet. What else have I not fixed? The whole grill thing falling out. That's still an issue. So then we get into Spokane. We're gonna give this car a quick wash at the car wash. More like just spray it down and wipe it off. And then we're gonna go pull Bobby's Genesis out. So I will see you guys at the car wash. This is one main reason why I do not like driving this car. That is all gravel down there, and it is completely disgusting and just gets my car so freaking nasty. So it's gonna be super nice when they finally sweep the streets. So I'm actually not washing the car right now. I ran out of time. So what we're gonna do is go get her car, and then we're gonna go wash both of them together. Should be pretty sick. Let's go get this gay ass Genesis out of storage.
Don't be hating on my Genesis.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, babe, your car looks so good.
Is it G? Is it a banger?
It's freaking banger.
Is it a banger? That thing, literally, I gotta stop driving it because people almost wreck when they see that bitch drive by.
I'm like, yeah, look at it.
It's like a giant tomato driving down the road.
Did you make it in the parking lot okay?
Yeah, make it. It's not low. It's not
Okay,
that low.
hop in, let's go get the real cool car.
But you're driving the cool car.
No, we're getting rid of this plopper.
This plopper?
Yeah. Get in.
Is that thing a banger?
Look at this old guy. Let's see if he does anything. Oh!
I can't get him. Oh, he's right peeking at it. Damn, I wish I had a different lens on so I could zoom in on.
That is so cute.
Look at him, look at him, look at him. Hold up, babe, stop. Maybe I'll crop it. Oh, now I can't even get him in the camera. What? Are you embarrassed?
Yeah.
Why?
Poor old man, he's crippled, and then you're trying to freaking record him when he is trying to look at your car. Just let him be, okay?
You want to see some photos I took?
Yeah, let's look.
Tell me if they're bangers. Oh, Victor Sellers hit me up. What's up, bro? He's shooting in my cars tomorrow. Or
Bam.
one of them.
Baby.
These photos, what?
I am so thirsty right now.
Look at this bitch.
Holy crap, that doesn't even look real.
Oh, that's not the one. So, because that right there, see the white on there?
Yeah.
That needed to be reflected off the sky, so I had to fix it. But that's one of them.
That is like my fave picture.
That's another one. Is that a banger?
It's a banger. It's tight. I really like the freaking wing they made you though.
Banger?
Banger.
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 That one is a banger.
I still like the one that I like the most though.
That's the same one. That one's just fixed.
Nope, not that one.
Oh, the
Ooh,
front?
I gotta hammer down.
This one?
Come on, Lacey. Yeah, that one.
This one?
That's my fave.
Where can they find these photos
Hold
at?
up, I gotta really speed up here. Okay, we're good.
Where can they find these photos at?
You can find it at Niemela, Instagram.com.
Where can they find your L at?
The L will be for sale, so if anybody wants this beautiful car, you know, just
Slide
give me a
DMs?
slide right onto the
That's a double
DMs.
focus. It's ST right here.
Hey, look at
Holy
that cute
shit.
little WRX back there.
That guy drifted. If you guys want to buy a car, don't buy Bobby Legacy. You should hit me up and buy my Forester.
My Legacy is way cooler than your Forester.
Dude, that's a sick ass M3 fam. Alright, well, I'll see you guys at the freaking. See, there I go again, telling you more. I'm gonna see him at.
Just. Honey.
Why are the child locks on? The frick is this about? You can get a water and
Two
I'll
for $2.50?
You can get one.
Yeah? Come on, baby.
No.
My dad's getting
I'm
it.
buying my own. Keep coming. Keep coming. Had to come flying through that window. It's 100% dead. Yeah, 100%. We are good to go. Ooh, that tire's slow. Got.
Got.
I got it. How many twos? 7, 2, 2, 7.
No, 7, 2. Babe, there's a huge hole right here. Be careful.
Damn, these brakes are country. Huge hole, huh?
It was big.
This is this one. Nice booger.
Bunker or bumper?
Booger. Like, you can't be crabby with the fucking booger, slangy ass booger out hanging out. You'll learn someday. Why are you filming me? I ain't that cool, am I?
Guys, my car is being destroyed currently.
As you pick your boogers.
As I pick, is my booger even off my face yet? Yeah, we're good.
Ooh.
I think I'm gonna
get
throw
out
up.
of here.
I think I'm gonna throw up here.
I don't like that. You hear it?
Yeah.
That's gonna rip your tire off the wheel in 2 seconds. Do you have a spare?
No. Yeah.
Do you want to try or do you want to throw a spare on? Because I don't have tools to throw a spare on.
What's that noise?
Your tire.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry right now.
Your car back?
I'm a little excited, a little worried.
What'd you just say though?
A little excited.
No, before that.
Can our cars be dating? Yeah.
So we got her car out. And what are we doing now? Oh, a couple things. Check all this out.
Wait.
Check all
Hold
this
up,
out.
Hold up.
Number one, her tire was completely flat, so I had to drive it to the gas station with a flat tire. Am I vlogging both
Yeah.
of these cameras? And aired up there, and thankfully it didn't pop off the bead on the wheel, so that was cool. And then number two, I tried to hammer down, and the car wouldn't move, so I stopped and I had Bobbi rev it up, and her wastegate was like stuck. It wouldn't open at all, or close, whatever. Yeah, open. So I took a rock. I hit a rock on the wastegate, and then went and drove it, and it was fine. Like I was just doing it to mess around. I was trying to get some pliers to like loosen it up a little bit, but the rock actually fixed it. So we went and drove it, and it's fine now. Lesson learned. Always,
fix things with rocks?
yeah, fix things with rocks. Always keep a rock on hand in your car. So yeah, we're good to go now, and I think we are going to. I don't know. There's a meet tonight. But I don't think we're gonna go, are we?
I just want to eat first.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat, and then we might go to that meet. And then it's today is St. Patrick's Day. You're probably watching this in like a week because I suck at editing videos on time. So today's St. Patty's Day, and we're gonna go drink some green beer. Oh, that's pretty good, or what?
The best.
Do you always eat all my chips?
You're dieting.
Well, I still bought them.
Hitting the 140 soon.
Well, they're healthy because look. It says black bean. That means they're healthy. And they're blended with multi-greens.
Not healthy.
Okay, should we go do something now? This is boring. Let's go drive.
I wanna get cute really quick.
Okay. I'll see you in the car.
Babe.
Yeah?
I hate when you say that.
Hey, we're matching.
Yeah, I know. I
Keep it.
actually found a green shirt.
Look. Show the camera. Oh, that seems really saggy on me.
Matching.
Hey, kind of matching my mic and my hat too. Alright, let's go. So what we're doing, guys, ooh,
Baby, honey, you don't have to yell.
we are going to McLean's Pizza with my brother, his wife, his girlfriend, their daughter, this chump,
That's me.
my movement watch, and Devin email 15 saves you $15, and the FRS is coming along too. Nice park job, babe. Fine too. Quad goals. This thing needs such a bad bath though. Holy balls. Guys, seriously, pick one of these radios up though. I'll have a link to the video of this radio right up in one of these corners, so make sure to check it out. This thing is so nice. It's got everything you could ever think of, and you can literally like go on the internet, you can go watch YouTube on here, you can do anything on here. It's pretty dope. You want to move your car? Are you gonna move it or no?
Yeah, I probably should.
Yeah, you suck at parking.
Devin's parking job.
That was yours.
No, it was yours.
Get your camera out of my face, boy. Hey, don't put that on the Brom.
Honey, calm down.
You gotta ruin the Brom.
Oh my gosh.
What are you doing?
parking on the line still. Don't show them. Oh my gosh, how many times does it take me to park that thing? I'll watch the skirts. Don't worry. Oh, he's gonna just hug you.
Shout out to Brom.
Shout out to Brom. Is that, cut that out, babe. I'm not kidding.
What do you think
Holy crap.
of whipping in the Rari?
It's insane.
Look at her.
Too insane for me.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look at her. Look how wide that thing is. Look at the exhaust hanging down.
Oh my lord.
Imagine that motherfucker going down the road.
That thing looks freaking wackadoodle stuff.
Here. Thank you. Oh, lock it. So some.
Ooh.
Damn. Shout out to frickin' Valenti for the tails.
Yeah, baby, your car is amazing. I love the seats.
Is it GS?
Yeah, I can't wait till I get me some Broms.
What edition are you going with, the Elites or the Elite X's?
Probably the Elite X's.
Is that what I'm running?
Yeah.
Did you see that care package they sent me?
Yeah, I did. I want me some.
It was dope.
Yeah, she doesn't like being in it by herself. Do you think it's sexy? There's the caramel sun. Thanks.
You have fun?
Yeah, I just want to go home and crawl in bed now. And I want more pizza.
We're going to get a coffee.
Okay.
Look at those flawless taillights.
The wing looks amazing.
Does it? You like it?
Yeah. I'm glad you went with the things kind of closer together.
Shout out to APR.
Yeah, shout out to APR. Yes, please.
Seesaw?
Let me just make sure I have my phone first.
Oh my gosh. She loses her phone
All the...
at least one time a day.
Oh my gosh.
You don't have it.
It's right here. Shush. Shush. What do you want?
You gotta get me parking. Your car?
Yeah.
Backwards?
Sure. Watch out for my car, babe. She looks good.
You have fun today whipping the FRS?
Yeah, I did.
Look at this weather, guys. Hey, I said guys. I yelled at myself early on camera because I say guys so much. Should I end the vlog here, or is that boring?
End the vlog.
Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog.
No yelling.
Sorry, I always yell. Hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. And we are going to, this is our night. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna drink a Corona. Why am I so fat? I'm out of breath. And we're gonna sit here. I'll probably edit some photos of Bobbi's sisters because they are bugging me to edit their photos. Can't see. And yeah, that'll end the night. So.
Oh, you look like you're in pain.
Why am I so out of breath?
Because you're...
Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, are you gonna butt in like you always do?
I was about to, but I won't
course.
do anything.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you really, really, really enjoyed it.
I talk with my hands, look at you.
If you really, 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 really enjoyed it, feel free to share the video because that would be dope. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one.